In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the AliExpress website to check the status of your orders. This simple yet essential task helps you stay informed on your purchases and any updates on their delivery progress. So, let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the AliExpress website. You can do this by typing viewaliexpress.com into the address bar at the top of your web page and pressing enter. Once you're on the home page of AliExpress, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Sign In option conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open the sign-in form. Here, you'll need to provide your registered email address or phone number along with your password to access your account. Take your time to enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, the next destination is My Orders. To find this, hover your mouse over the profile icon, which you'll spot in the top right corner of the page, usually near where you click to sign in. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select My Orders to be directed to the page where all your purchases are listed. On the My Orders page, you'll encounter a comprehensive list of all the orders you've placed on AliExpress. Each entry provides detailed information about the order, including the product name, the store from which you purchased it, the price, and the current status of your order. This overview is a useful snapshot of your recent shopping activities. Understanding the status of each order is important. You might see labels like awaiting payment, which means you still need to complete the payment to finalize the order. If you see awaiting shipment, it indicates that the seller is getting your order ready for delivery. Then there's shipped, which means your package is on the way and usually comes with a tracking option. Lastly, completed signifies that the transaction is finished and the product has been delivered to you. If you're interested in more details, especially when your order is en route, the tracking option is invaluable. Find the specific item you wish to track and click either Track Order or View Detail, which are the options right next to the item. This will open up shipping updates, including the estimated delivery time, giving you peace of mind and a clearer timeline of when you're likely to receive your package. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently keep track of all your AliExpress purchases. Whether you're waiting for your package to arrive or keeping tabs on its journey, this process ensures you're always in the loop with your orders. I hope you find this guide helpful and thank you for tuning in.